Okay, let me put it this way. With age comes wisdom, but so does aging skin. And while we can't press a pause or rewind button at our age, we can do things that can help us age well. Hi guys, I'm Nia and today I'm going to show you a well-aging skincare routine. But wait, before that, you know what you have to do. Go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon so that you never miss our latest videos on all things makeup, skin and hair. If life is about change, skin is proof. So let's understand what changes our skin goes through as we age. There are two types of changes. One change is the one that happens below the skin, which is commonly known as normal or natural aging, and the other is on the surface of the skin, which is also commonly known as signs of aging. Now, natural aging is a part of changes that occur underneath our skin over the years regardless of outside influence. Some of the signs include loss of underlying fat, leading to hollow cheeks and even eye sockets, as well as loss of firmness and sagging skin due to bone loss. Unfortunately, you can't do anything about it. Such is the human body. Now, signs of aging are a part of changes that occur on the surface of the skin, primarily triggered by environmental factors. Some signs of aging include dark spots, fine lines, dry skin, patchy skin tone, and even wrinkles. But the good news is that you can prevent these pesky signs. It could start with something as simple as making tiny tweaks in your daily skincare routine. And if this isn't a good reason for you to get started, then let me tell you that if your natural aging gets combined with your signs of aging, then you, my friend, are going to experience premature aging of the skin. And that is not the path to take, because why shouldn't we aspire to age well? So here is what I do to tackle signs of aging. This, by the way, is my morning routine. In case you really enjoy watching this video, we can probably do a part 2 of this where we show you a well-aging night skincare routine. So if you want a part 2, put a hashtag of part 2 in the comment section below and then we'll see how we can do this. The first thing I started doing is that I have stopped using cleansers that have soap, because as we know, soaps pull away all the good moisture from our skin, leaving our skin dry, thinned out, which then causes wrinkles and fine lines. Trust me, I had to learn this the hard way. Instead, I'll give you a better option. Why don't you switch to gentle soap-free cleansers, because they will remove dirt, grime, oil off your face, but they will not strip off the natural lipids that keep your skin looking soft and glowing. Speaking of a gentle cleanser from a clean beauty brand, Simple, this is the kind to skin refreshing facial wash. Gently massage with your fingertips with light upward strokes. This is a 100% soap-free cleanser that has no added perfume, harsh chemicals that can upset the skin, artificial color, alcohol, paraben or animal derivatives. But what it does have is pro-vitamin B5, which is going to soften your skin. It also has bisabolol, which is going to moisturize your skin, and it has vitamin E, which is going to nourish your skin. All of this is good news for aging skin. After cleansing while my skin is slightly damp, I apply a serum. Now, serum, as we all know, is a powerhouse of skin-loving ingredients that deliver targeted results. For instance, you wouldn't believe, but I have had to deal with horrible bouts of acne growing up. Even as an adult, I have had to deal with acne, which tells me that this is perhaps going to be a lifelong problem. Plus, in your 30s, estrogen levels are low and your skin cell turnover also slows down, making your skin less tight and elastic, causing dryness and acne flare-ups. So to prevent hormonal acne breakouts, no better serum than the one meant to deal with adult acne. Let me show you the serum in question. This is the Dermalogica Age Bright Clearing Serum for Acne. Now, this lightweight serum tackles two problems at the same time. One is signs of aging such as dryness, rough texture, and the other is adult acne. How? Well, it has salicylic acid, which will banish acne-causing bacteria, and niacinamide, which will fade post-acne marks while helping promote brighter and more even-toned skin. Plus, it has Age Bright Complex that is also going to keep the skin clearer, brighter, and youthful. Now it's time to apply a day cream, but not just a regular day cream, instead a day cream that contains anti-aging ingredients and also has sun protection. So it not just moisturizes my skin but also provides sun protection, which as we know is directly related to skin aging. Okay, so getting back to this day cream, if you are in your 20s, chances are that your skin cell turnover is regular and your body is naturally develop large amounts of collagen and elastin. However, if you are in your 30s or upwards, the collagen and elastin production diminishes and the skin cell turnover is slower, which sadly means that our skin quality isn't quite as good as it was. This then leads to dryness, which can lead to a mixed bag of fine lines, crow's feet and even wrinkles. Here's my pick. This is the Pond's Age Miracle Wrinkle Corrector Day Cream SPF 18 PA++, which will help wrinkles develop at a much slower rate than if we were to leave our skin dry and unmoisturized. Plus, retinol C complex, a superhero ingredient for aging skin. What it will do is that it will sink right into the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, spots, fine lines and crow's feet. Plus, the added SPF is beneficial to protect your skin from indoor and outdoor UV exposure. The final and the most important step in my well-aging skincare routine is applying a broad spectrum sunscreen. Now, sunscreen is by far the most cheapest and the most effective anti-aging product available in the market. Like for instance, if I were to give a Lifetime Achievement Award to a skincare product, then it had to be sunscreen. Why? Is because sunscreen protects you from these harsh sun rays, which by the way can pierce through really thick glass and even cloud. And if your skin is exposed to it for a really long time, then it's going to show up in the form of sun damage, which ultimately results in dark spots, uneven skin tone, fine lines, crow's feet and all of that mess. So my point is, guys, wear the damn sunscreen. So here's my pick for a sunscreen. This is the Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 PA+++ Ultra Matte Lotion Sunscreen. Just take 2 fingers full of the sunscreen and apply it all over, preferably 30 minutes before you step out. Now, what I love about this sunscreen is that it is lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy, and it immediately absorbs into the skin, delivers an ultra matte finish, and it almost feels like you're wearing nothing on your skin. I hope you found my well-aging skincare routine useful. Now, before I go, as usual, you guys know what you have to do. Like and share this video and also subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Along with that, ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And of course, happy aging, because like it or not, it is happening and it's okay. Because think of it this way, aging is just another word for living, and that's never a bad idea. Until next time, bye guys.